we are happy with the progress that is indicated. आनी डॉक्टरान सांगला फकत 2 जाणां दोतले म्हण एडमीट कोतले आनी दुसऱ्यान डिस्चार्ज दितले. So we are also happy that nothing major has happened. आनी or second incident म्हणून म्हाका दिसता ते authorities, especially the police, will have to take this into account. कित्याक कोण इस्कलाचो भुरगो आशिल्लो तेणें स्प्रे घायलो थिंगा आनी स्प्रेयाचे तांकां गुण आयली and some were unwell. So this is why we want that it should be inquired, especially because of second incident last Friday पासून असो जाल्लो म्हूण आयकलां हांवें आनी it should not be repeated. Children should feel safe when they come to school. Parents should also feel that the children are in a safe environment. आनी म्हाका दिसता the police can take it up. It is a juvenile instance and I think they can handle this well, effectively, and get all the data and make sure that these kind of incidents don't repeat.